Hey, we're Gangs of Ballet, and this is MCAR Flits.
We were really stoked with the last one. Even just being nominated this year for Best Album is amazing. I mean, we couldn't be more stoked, I don't think. Hopefully we can take it home. Back to Durban.
That was like a cherry on top for us. I think it's always nice, when you put your hand to something that you get something at the end. I think there's one person that says, "Oh, flip, I succeeded." So it's like it was like an incredible joy to have that kind of accolade. But I don't know if we were like thinking like, okay guys, let's get this thing, let's market this thing to the top of the charts. And it was just like at the end of our Joburg show, we were busy packing up gear, just living the life. And we got the phone call and I did a little scream and dance. So it's a very, very special moment for us.
I think every show is special, every show is unique. And I think the moment we get used to that and we just think, oh, it's the normal thing, I think we're kind of in a dangerous place, I think we always want people to sing with us. It's always awesome. So, yeah, we love it. So if you are there, sing.
We go on this tour with Gangs of Ballet.
# best day ever tour.
It's the first time we're touring with them properly, and it's their first proper tour.
It's the most huge tour we've ever done in our whole lives.
We don't even take gigs for granted, When we, even if we have a small gig, we rehearse really hard for it. I'm very interested to see how this tour goes. I think there will be a little bit of like a each band pushing one another.
There's going to be a bit of a hairstyle battle going on, I think, and a clothing battle. I think we need to try and figure out who's going to wear what and what not. And Mike's already shaved his hair because he says he can't do the what's it called? Quiff thing. Yeah, well, mine's a bit messy now.
And we managed to get a power strip for the van. Well, the technical term is Maximus Powerus, and you can actually plug your laptop into the lighter Magodi in your car. So think about that for a while. We're on the cutting edge of touring technology.
Yeah, that's going to be interesting to see because they're quite adamant that they're keen to crash wherever they can, but they haven't done this 6 times or 10 times. We've done this 20 times probably.
We got some blood mattresses, just in case we have to camp on the floor, on the back of the van, that kind of stuff,
So we like the luxuries of a bed and breakfast or something like that.
We have found a game, they sell 20 Rand pillows, so we've just stocked up on those. Every tour we get some new pillows.
We're going to end it off on New Year's Eve, so I think maybe on New Year's Eve we'll do something fun. Prank them, yeah.
It's going to get crazy.
You got to choose your party nights very wisely because especially for vocalists and stuff like that, you can't start off like that. But sometimes those nights just sneak up on you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We went into studio to record a new EP, which we're going to release next year. I think, like always, it's a little bit different. We've always pushed things in studio, come out with something a little different. But we've gone into studio this time with 4 people instead of 3, and instead of 5, which we did before. So yes, GNG now is made up of the 4 of us, and we went into studio with those 4 people, and we wrote some songs and recorded them.
We're going to release this probably just online, and then we'll do like a printed version for just like shows and stuff like that. I don't think it's going to be in CD stores, so we're going to try and keep it exclusive. So if you want to come to the show and buy an actual physical release, yeah, you can do that.
World peace. We started writing for new stuff already, and we're trying to put plans together to kind of start recording again and get new stuff out. We're playing this last stuff for the last almost 2 years now. I mean, we haven't toured everywhere, but just for us, we've been playing the same stuff. Even the record is just a collection of where we've come so far, and I think we've learned a lot of lessons. So it feels like we're gonna put some more stuff down. We'd love to get overseas next year even. I don't know how that all happens, and it is a tricky situation to get over there, especially when your rand is like divided everything by 10. Just we need a cool 150k to get overseas. Just one ticket. I think that's kind of the plan. We need to make music, we want to get overseas, and we also want to play festivals, hopefully win an MK award. You know what I'm saying?
Mag ek asseblief die klaskamer verlaat?